I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Hi folks, thanks for taking a look at the Guarantee website. Today I'm going to talk with you about T40980. It's an Apex, super nice unit. It's a 253 RLS, so that means 25 feet 3 inches with the rear lounge and a slide. So this unit has a lot of benefits. It's a vacuum bonded Asdel fiberglass wall. They also have an aluminum caged construction, which is TIG welded, so it always stays plumb. It's got a great floor plan. As you come in the door here in the rear of the unit, you've got a big window in the back, and I'll tell you what, most of the time the view is in the back. You have 2 comfortable chairs and a horseshoe dinette and a lovely kitchen. It's got a 6-foot 2-door refrigerator, a microwave, a range top, an oven, a really nice double stone cast sink, and of course overhead cabinetry in abundance. Also, you have your television over here in your entertainment center. Easy to see for everybody in the room. You've got a pass-through bathroom, and that makes for a big bathroom. So you have a nice linen closet. You have a really nice pedestal commode, a nice sink and basin around that. So you've got a little bit of counter space there. We've got a linen closet in here, and we also have a radial enclosed shower. Now, once we slide this door across, we're going to see a 60 by 80 queen bed, so you can use regular sheets on it. And wardrobe closets on each side, and of course, we've got some storage up above. These units are really super handy. They're lightweight. They have frameless windows that are tinted. They have long awnings on them. They really hold up super duper well. And they feel comfortable. They feel like home inside. I'd like to invite you to come on out and take a look at this. This is our Coachmen Apex 253 RLS, and it's our stock number T40980. My name is Barbara Balcom. I work in trailers and vans, Barbara D at Guarantee. Please give me a call. I can be reached at 541-521-4232. Thank you so much for taking a moment out. I'm looking forward to meeting you.